Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and lovely baby cap. This cap is for 3-year baby and here I have used only 50 gram wool to make this project. If you want to make it in big size, then you can use 75 gram use and make it in big size. Lovely rose flowers, and the link of these flowers is in description box. If you want to make and use these flowers in this project, then watch that video, link is in description box. But if you want to use any brooch, then you can also use brooch or let it be plain. So choice is yours how you want to wear this cap. Very easy, very lovely and very beautiful cap this is. You can see you can make it in any size, only increase the double crochet and make it. And now just look at the space of this cap, perfect space and very loose gripping. The gripping is very loose and it is very comfortable to wear. So let's start the video friends, but before starting the video I have a request that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and comment on my channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, make a magic loop and start with 3 chains. So make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. And now make total 20 double crochet in this loop. Just insert the hook into the loop and make 20 double crochet. 20 double crochet along with 3 chain. Insert the hook into the loop and make double crochet. At the end of the work you should have 20 double crochet. Just pull up the loop and add your work with first double crochet. Don't add it with third chain, add it with the first double crochet. Here you can see the first double crochet, so add it here. Now for second round, again start with 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet at the same place. Now in second double crochet, make 1 double crochet and again 1 more double crochet at the same place. So make 2 double crochet in each double crochet and just repeat it. Make 2 double crochet in each double crochet and over the round. At the end of the round you should have 40 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet at the starting point as I am doing, and now add it with the first double crochet. Don't add it with the third chain, add it with the first double crochet. Make a slip stitch and add it. Now for third round, again start with 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet at the same place. Make 1 double crochet at the same place. And next one, make only 1 double crochet. And in the third one, make 2 double crochet. So just increase 1 double crochet after 1 single double crochet. Fourth one, make only 1 double crochet. And in fifth one, make 2 double crochet. So just repeat the same process and over the round, one time make 1 and in next one 2. At the end of the work, again make 1 double crochet at the starting point and now add it with the first double crochet. Now start round number 4. I have completed my 3 rounds, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now start round number 4. as you have increased one double crochet after one single double crochet in the third round, in fourth round increase one double crochet after two single double crochet. Means make one double crochet two times, one, two times, and after two increase one double crochet. So let's start with 3 chain, make one double crochet, and now make two single double crochet in next two double crochet. Make one and next one make only one double crochet. So two times make one double crochet, and now in next one increase one double crochet and make just two double crochet at the same place, 1 and 2. Again make one double crochet two times, 1 and 2, and in third one again increase one double crochet. So let's repeat the same process and over the round. At the end of the round again make one double crochet at the same place and add it with the first number double crochet. Three chain for round number 5. Make one double crochet at the same place, and now make one double crochet in each one. Again make one double crochet in third one, make one double crochet in fourth one, make one double crochet. So just make one double crochet in each. In this round I have not increased any double crochet. And now add your work with first number double crochet. If you want to make big size, then increase double crochet in 2 more rounds. But if you want to make small size, then stop increasing double crochet and just repeat only double crochet in 11 to 12th round. So in this round I will make only double crochet, one double crochet in each, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the 6th round, so I will make 11 to 12 round to make a cap. So just repeat it, and here I have completed my 12 round. Only one double crochet and repeat it. To make border, make 3 chains and make double crochet one time from the front side. Do as I am doing. Just cover your double crochet from the front, and next time just cover it from the back. In this way I will make border in my work. Now cover it from the front side. This is the double crochet. Just insert the hook, cover your double crochet and make a double crochet. In next one, cover it from the back side. So insert the hook from the back side, cover your double crochet, and now make one double crochet. Again cover it from the front side, and next one cover from the back side. So just repeat the same process and make border of this cap. One time from the front side and in next time from the back side. At the end of the work, add your work with double crochet. Again start with 3 chain and just cover that double crochet which is from the back side. Cover it from the back side. This double crochet is from back side, so cover it from the back and the next one is in front side, so just cover it from the front. Let's complete the same process. Repeat the same process and make 4 to 5 rounds. Repeat it and make 4 to 5 rounds. So here my cap is completed. You can see the border, and now I will use a different color to give it a final look. So here I will use red color. You use the color according to your choice. Just tie a knot and make only one single crochet in each double crochet. First of all, make chain. One, and now make only single crochet. So make one single crochet in each double crochet. One single crochet in next one. Again make one single crochet in next one. Again one single crochet in next one. So repeat the same process. Make one single crochet in each double crochet and complete your work. So my cap is ready, and you can see, if you want to make friends any simple and fast making cap, then you can try this project, and it is very easy to make. If you want to decorate it, then use any flowers, any brooch or any other idea if you have, then you can decorate it. Here I will decorate my cap with some flowers, some rose flowers. So here I have 3 color flowers, red, yellow and pink, and I will decorate my cap with these flowers. The link of this flower is in description box. So if you want to make these flowers, so check the description box and watch that video. So I hope friends you will like this video. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.